Hey guys, it's Jackie and welcome back to today's nail vlog. Before we get in, I want to give a big shout out to Born Pretty for sending these colors over. I will leave everything linked down below. We have a gorgeous deep red in shade number 25 and a really pretty mauve cat eye in shade number 4. I've had this set on for about 4 weeks now and the retention is just phenomenal. Starting off with some nail prep, I'm going in with this cuticle remover from Sally Hansen. I fully saturate each nail bed with it. Going in with a cuticle pusher. This one is also from Born Pretty and it's great. I do a quick little scrub-a-dub-dub on all of the nails, getting rid of that dead skin. Then I go in with a cuticle cutter. It is so satisfying when it comes off in one strip. Now, my trick to having such long retention is to not soak off the nails. Instead, I'll go in with an e-file. I try to file off most of the gel polish and then slightly near the cuticle area to help blend the fill that we're about to do. After all of the nails are polished naked, I take acetone to lightly wipe away the dust and to further dry the nail bed. For the fill, I start off with this 6-in-1 nail glue as the base coat. I go in with a generous layer, but don't overflow the product. For better adhesion, I like to push the glue into the naked cuticle area. Now we cure for about 30 to 60 seconds. Next, I'm going in with the fiber extension nail gel. Guys, this stuff is magical. I swirl my brush in the pot to pick up some product. First, I put most of the product in the middle for the apex, and then I drag whatever is left on the brush into the cuticle area, making sure you're really pushing the product down onto the nail bed. This first layer is very important, so just take your time. After the cuticle area is nicely filled, I use quick strokes to drag the product towards the tip of the nail. This is what one layer looks like, and I cure this for 60 seconds. Now I repeat the process for the second layer, but this time we're going to use a lot less product. We're just trying to blend the cuticle area along with the rest of the nail. Here I'm just fixing up the sidewalls a little bit. And smoothing out the apex. If you follow these steps, your fill should look pretty seamless. I cure this for another 60 seconds. I personally like to wipe the stickiness off with acetone when I do my other nails, just because I don't want anything to stick to it. And voila, look at how perfect this fill is. It is nice and thin and very flushed. For the design, I'm going in with the watercolor magnetic cat eye in shade 4. It's a really pretty mauve shade with silver flecks in it. I think this is the perfect everyday nude. I find that magnetic gels do look streaky if you don't go over it, so I usually go in with light thin strokes all over the nail. And as always, keep acetone close by for any easy cleanups. I've recently learned some tips and tricks for the perfect application. So you hold the magnet parallel to the nail, not on top. To achieve the same cat eye effect that you always see in these product photos, use the magnet on both sides of the nail, bringing the flex to the center. Look at how magical. Now we cure this for 30 seconds. Going in with the deep red shade in number 25, I'm pouring some onto my new mixing plate. Look at how cute this is. Then I'm taking a teeny tiny dotting tool to place 2 small dots next to each other. I do this about 3 times. Now using a thin brush, I'm connecting the 2 dots by dragging diagonally upwards, making little hearts. After adding the 4th heart, I realized one of them is poorly placed, so I wiped it off with some acetone and redid it. There, it looks way better. Cure this for 30 seconds. Now for the top coat, I used the 6-in-1 nail glue again. A nice even coat before curing it for 60 seconds. Now this stuff is sticky, so I wiped it off with some acetone. And here's the final result. They turned out so nicely and it's going to last for weeks. If you liked any of these products, I'll leave them linked down below along with my discount code, and I'll see you in the next one.